Hi everybody, my name is Nicole. This is my very first YouTube video. I am gonna do a review on Shannon's Rose subscription box. So I want to tell you a little bit about her subscription box. Everything is vegan free and also cruelty free. It's $29.99 every other month. So it's not a monthly subscription. So let's get started on her box. Okay, so this is a cute packaging. So I have Rose Fan mug. This is so cute. So right here we got Hum. It's a superfood powder. You can mix it with milk, water, or almond milk, whatever you like. It helps boost your metabolism and it's good for your skin. So we have 3 different flavors here. I never had this, but it is vegan, so if you are vegan, you will love it. Right here, there is organic turmeric ginger tea bags. These are how they look, and you just pop them in water and they smell really good. So I'm excited to try this with my tea. So this is Olivia, I think that's how you pronounce this. It's a ginger lemon lip butter, so I'm very excited to try it out. Okay, this is called It's a 10. It is for your hair. It's alcohol free, which is really good. So I haven't never used this, but all you do is just put a small amount in your hands and just massage it through your hair, and it just gives you a little shine and it controls frizz. So if you do have frizzy hair, this will be really good for you, and I'm excited to try it out. Okay, this is called Kula. It's SPF 30s and it's a primer for your face. So I never had this product, or I never really heard of this brand, but it sounds really cool and I would love to try it out. This product brightens, nourishes, and protects skin from the harsh sun. Okay, so this is, I believe it's a necklace. And oh, it's so pretty. It's a rose necklace. It's very cute. So this is a blanket scarf. It looks very soft and cozy and looks very big and large. So, you know, you can use it for a scarf as well. Just put it around you like this, and it seems really soft and keep you warm throughout the winter. So I'm very excited to wear this throughout the winter. So I really liked everything in the box, so I am going to keep subscribing, and I can't wait to see what is in store for the next boxes. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys liked my video, please comment and subscribe. Bye for now. See you guys soon.